Mayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. Today, I have free, nothing to do, so I decided to cook for me and for my darling. And I decided to cook sabaw nga mungos with chicken and spinach. And I washed already the mungos, they are already on the oven, but not cooked yet. I washed the spinach, and now I will cut the fat and the skin from the chicken.
Tinatanggal ang balat. Ayaw niya ng balat. You can use the scissor, babe. Where is the scissor? Here.
Scissors,
babe.
yeah.
Yes.
But
Cut the fat. So scissor, I cannot see.
when I see this, I would like to cut also the fat from my tianala. But it's not working with this scissor. Oh, next one. Let me see.
Yan. Mas it looks better or healthier kung wala daw skin. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya o ayaw ko. Basta, nasa dalawa lang yun, di ba? Ayan, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Habang piniprepare niya yan, tapos slice niya mamaya, yung munggos naman niluluto niya. Okay? So, yummy garnish, I'm sure.
I'm sure too, because I'm the cook. Because when the cook is not sure, then
It's one of his favorite soups also sa
Yeah.
Filipino na pagkain.
also ang favorite food of Popeye because of the spinach.
That's why you look a little bit similar to
Salamat
Popeye.
kayo, babe. Thank you for this nice compliment.
Pero mas, sad babe, mas gwapo sad ka. Uy! Of course
See, now I cut all the fat here and the skin, and now I try to cut because
Strong enough,
actually I'm not so I'm not so brutal like you. So,
I am a brutal guy. Oh. Yan.
okay.
So, another half. Oh, wonderful, babe. You're a very fast learner. That's why I like you to cook.
Because
I want you to know how to do this. Then you can do this next time. Uy, kaliit nun, babe.
well, we can also have a small piece. Why not?
Masya, murag, kung sa Christmas lantern, baka different colors lanterns. Lagi kay different sizes.
Genau. Because I'm taller than you. So.
Sige. So, ang ginger is ready na.
Schälen, ein bisschen.
I look for a place. Oh, tama na, babe. I do not shell, Alice.
I put it in cellophane later, then it stays fresh. We don't need. So.
So, ayan na. Ready na rin yung ginger. Ready na rin yung ahos or nublaw. Ayan. Para sa sabo.
So hätte ich das machen können.
Scheiben siya. Ein bisschen größer. Ja, ball. So. Wow, sarap na. Oh, and. Aber der Knoblauch muss gehackt werden, ja.
Mal gleich hacken.
Aber ganz klein.
Ja.
Ich kann nicht. Es ist zu dunkel hier. Moment, ich muss das Licht anmachen. Murag lamig na siya, no? Ayan.
Kein Problem, kann wieder aufheben.
So, ayan, naka-gisa na yung garlic. palasa. Nag-cooking water kasi kulang yung tubig namin sa munggos. Ay! Very strong. Okay. Okay. Tapos, ano na babe, kaya na... Tapos, yung ginger. Medyo brown siya. Ito mas masarap.
I hope there's enough oil in.
Ng oil. We don't need so much oil kay... No, this is the last one, babe. Okay. Chicken na. Sige na ka naman. Igisa muna natin ito. Wala masyadong oil. Medyo pero masarap. Kasi, kunti na yung oil. Ayan ang chicken broth din, pang palasa. Kasi hindi kami gumagamit ng asin. Talagang konti lang. Kung meron man, konting-konti lang talaga yung asin. So, patis yung ginagamit lagi. Did you put already, babe? So, ayun pala. Hindi ko nakita. Yeah, you don't have to, kay...
Ja, aber das ist einfacher zu verteilen.
Ayan. No, talaga ina. Ako hindi kasi matrabaho kung ayan. So, hindi na kailangan maraming oil. Talagang kunting-kunti lang talaga yung oil. Yan. Asa yung cover natin. Nilagyan na ng pepper ng konti. Ginok. Oh. Tapos nag-cooking na naman yung sarado. Yung munggos. Malapit na rin. Ito na rin siya. Sarap. Uy, kumukulo na siya. Kumukulo. Ambis kinukmea kay sabaw. Okes. O, diba? Anak rin na siya. Tudluan lang yung mga banagluto. O sila na magsigigluto. Ay. Ayan. Again, imimix na niya doon. Let's see kung di masyado madami yung munggo. Kasi walang sabaw mangyayari pag ang daming munggo, diba? Diba? But the soup, naamoy ko yung patis.
What do you think?
Yeah, more, oder? Ay!
And I can put also everything.
You put everything.
Yeah,
Ayan, lahat na. Para kasya pala eh. Ayun.
See, it's okay. Looks already good. Let's put some spring onions. I don't know if this is the right word.
Spring onions. Lumino kayo. And this. Lami ko.
I like this.
Gigutom na ako. Pero hindi pa pwede kumain kasi may ginagawa pa.
Yeah, I cooked, but that doesn't mean that you are allowed to eat. So,
Okay.
I'll wait a little bit more.
And
then
by the way, babe, hindi. Mamaya. Sabihin ko mamaya. Huwag gayon. Kasi hindi ko pwedeng yung camera. By the way, recap for, ano ba i-recap namin? Yung football, European Championship last Saturday, by the way, nanalo ang Germany against Portugal. Diba? So ngayon, mamaya, maglalaro Germany versus
Hungary.
So, pag nanalo sila, if they win,
Then,
Germany wins, then automatic for the
next round.
next round.
Qualified for the next round.
Yes.
The last 16 then.
The last 16 na dayon. So, habit na naluto. Malapit na maluto yung aming sabaw. Naglilinis pa siya. Dapat kasi malinis yung kusina pagkatapos magluto. Okay, so, wait muna habang natin natin maluto. Basta yun lang ang, good luck Germany.
So, we're about to eat now, so that means we put the spinach.
Gutom na.
Gutom kayo.
Gutom na kayo. So,
And you see, it's really nice now, not so liquid anymore.
Sticky na.
It's not sticky, So, then let me put the spinach.
Lamig kayo.
I don't know if I put all.
So, thank you so much, babe, Alexu, for cooking for me and for you. For our lunch.
So what did you say? For me and for you?
Yeah.
So that means
You can also eat.
I cooked for me, but you can also have something if you want.
It's our food for today while
Leave it
watching
for a while this way, just 2 minutes, and then I steer.
while watching the Portugal or Germany.
Yes, this is-
No, not Portugal.
No, Hungary.
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 Yes, Hungary. I love Hungary. Yung place, maganda.
My phone is ringing. I can call later again.
May nawa. May call. Pila na ito? 12, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Masiwag kay mukaon ako adda rin sa ako di man mukaon kami rin ako ra mukaon.
Mungus og kanang spinach og kuan?
Ja, ich esse nicht nur, ich koche auch.
Lami ko na.
Mao ka akong di man pud na pwede sa akong tuhod.
Yeah, lami.
You see, this is the result. I cooked it by myself, and I will also eat it by myself. Thank you so much for watching my cooking, and I hope you will like my soup with chicken, mungo soup with chicken and spinach. And thank you for watching this up, and bye bye everybody. See you next time. Hope so.
Bye.